Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are learning decision making statements in a C. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. In this video, we are going to learn about the switch statement in a C. First, I will tell you when the switch statements are used. When you want to solve multiple option type problems, for example, menu like a program where one value is associated with each option and you need to choose only one at a time, then switch statements are used. Switch statements. A switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Each value is called a case and the variable being switched on if on is checked for each switch case. Switch statement is a control statement that allows us to choose only one choice among the many given choices. Switch case statements are a substitute for a long if statements that compare a variable to several integer values. This is a syntax for the switch statement. Here we are seeing switch is our condition. Inside that we are given a expression and then we are given here case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 and a default. The expression in a switch evaluates to return an integer value which is then compared to the values present in a different cases. It executes that block of a code which matches the case value. If there is no match, then the default block is executed if it's present. It tells us that here in expression, if expression is matches with the cases, then the case will be executed according to the expression which is matched. If expression is not matches here, then the default block will be executed. This is what the syntax is telling us. By seeing a program, we will come to know about the switch case. There are some rules for the switch statement. These are: the expression used in a switch statement must have an integer or enumerated type or be of a class type in which the class has a single conversion function to an integral or a enumerated type. You can have any number of case statements within a switch. Each case is followed by the value to be compared and a colon. The constant expression for a case must be the same data type as the variable in the switch and it must be a constant or a literal. When the variable being switched on is equal to a case, the statement following that case will be executed until a break statement is reached. When a break statement is reached, the statement terminates and the flow of a control jumps to the next line following the switch statement. Not every case needs to contain a break. If no break appears, the flow of a control will fall through the subsequent cases until a break is reached. A switch statement can have an optional default case which must appear at the end of a switch. The default case can be used for performing a task when none of the cases is true. No break is needed in the default case. Now we will see one program for a switch case. First we declared a preprocessor command. Then we declared a main function and inside a main function we declared a character variable that is a grade equal to B. Then we declared our switch case. In switch case we are given expression as a grade. Then we open a curly braces for our switch case. We are written our case 1 that is a case A and we are given printf statement there. Printf excellent. Then break will come. Then we are given two cases here, case B and a case 3 and printf statement for B and C is a well done. which is written in a printf statement, then break will come. Then case D, in a case D we are written you passed and a break will come. Then case F, in a case F we are written better try again and a break statement is comes. Then default value, default is came, in default we are written printf value grade, invalid grade. Here our switch case ends. We are closed a bracket for a switch case. And else part of a program is a statement. For the else part, printf your grade is a %c comma grade and return value as a 0. Then we closed a main function. How our program will execute? First it will go to the switch case, which is our condition. In a switch case expression we are given as a grade. Our grade we are written grade is equal to B, which we are already declared there. So it will go to the case B, and in a case B statement what we return? We return as a well done. So we will get output as a well done. After executing the switch case, it will go to the else part of a program, and in a else part of a program we are written your grade is a %c. %c means what we are written there? B. C already declared with that grade is equal to B. So it will take value as a your grade is a B. So what we will get an output? We will get an output as a well done, your grade is a B. This is how the switch case works. Suppose if here we declared a grade is equal to D, then it will check the grade, go to the switch case where grade is our condition, and we have declared a grade as a D, which we are assuming. Then it will go to the case D. After going to case D, the printf statement here is a you passed. If we declared the grade is equal to D, then we will get output as a you passed and your grade is a D. Like that we will get an output. Suppose if we are given here case only 5 cases are we are given here, that is A, B, C, D and F. Suppose if I gave grade is equal to H, which is not present in our cases. So if suppose I gave H as a grade is equal to H, then that will go to the default value. Then we will get output as a invalid grade, because H is not present in our grade. So cases H is not present in our case, so we will get output as a invalid grade. This is how the switch case works in a C. Thank you. One more program is here. First we declared a preprocessor command, then we declared a main function. Inside a main function we declared a integer variable x is equal to 2, and then we declared a switch case expression is a x, which comes inside the brackets. Then open a curly braces for a switch case. First case, in a first case we are written choice is a 1. Then second case, in a second case we are written choice is a 2. Case 3 we written choice is a 3. Then default, in a default we are written choice other than a 1, 2 or a 3. Then break will come and returning value as a 0. Here we are declared x is equal to 2. So our switch is expression is a x, which where x is equal to 2. So it will go to the case 2 and we will get output as a choice is 2. This is how we got output here, choice is a 2. Suppose if we declared x is a 3, then we will get output as a choice is 3, because it will go to the direct case 3. We will get output as a 3 there. and suppose we declared x is equal to 4, then we'll go to default and we'll get output as a choice other than 1, 2 or a 3. This is how the switch case works. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video we are going to learn about the nested switch statement.